now we are going to look at how can we check it out our payroll report. So if you want to get the payroll report, you can get it from here, display more report, and you can see the payroll report available. I'm going to click, and under the payroll report there are variety of reports available, and I'm going to be show you one by one. So the first one, payslip. Payslip means the details of the each employee salary details, right? So that is called that payslip. If you want to get that, we can easily get. I'm going to click the payslip, and you can select which person. Factory workers and the factory workers group, Fiham and Nihar. Office workers only have chiffon. So I'm going to be choose the Fiham payslip. This is the payslip for the Fiham, and if you want, you can export at the same time, you can print, right? So this is how you can get the report. The second, the pay sheet. Pay sheet mean pay head types. We can see the report, right? So you can see the pay head type report, the Fiham basic salary and dearness allowance, food allowance, and everything it can be show, right? This is called that pay sheet report, right? The next one is attendance sheet. If you want the attendance sheet, you can get it. You can see here factory workers, under the factory workers Nihar and chiffon. So the overtime, and then present also you can see here 24, 26. Here is a Fiham 25. Likewise you can get that. The next one is payment advice. Payment advice means if you want to be transfer the money through the bank, we have to send a letter to the bank. So that letter it's automatically generated by the TallyPrime. So you can see here, I'm going to click the preview, and if I zoom it, it will show the payment advice. The company name is Sarjico Private Limited, the manager HSBC Bank. Dear sir, payment advice from Sarjico Private Limited, account number. If you enter the account number into the ledger, it will show here for the period 1st July 2020 to 31st July 2020. Please make the payroll transfer from above account a number to the below mentioned account numbers to what employee salaries. So the serial number and everything is provided, right? So this is called that payment advice. And if you want to get the payroll statement based on the basic salary, the differentiate, you can get it. That is called that payroll statement, right? So likewise we can get the all the payroll report from these all relevant report for the payroll. You can get from the payroll report as well. You can get that if you want to be alter the attendance, you can alter. You can click here. There are 2 attendance available in July. So if you want to be edit, you can edit, and then you can serve it. Likewise you can edit the payroll also. If you click the payroll register, you can edit the payroll details, and I'm not going to be edit anything else because everything is perfect. So I'm come back again. So these are the things are called that the payroll report. I hope that you understand well.